Welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of battling stubborn wrinkles and looking for a quick and effective solution for your clothing care, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will be counting down the top 5 best garment steamers of 2024. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Folding Mini Steam Iron. This remarkable steamer boasts a high-powered output of 1,600 watts. That means you can experience efficient and rapid garment care. One of the standout features of this product is its dual functionality. Not only does it serve as a garment steamer, but it also doubles as a flat iron. This seamless transition allows you to choose the perfect method for different fabric types. It even functions as a compact humidifier, adding moisture to the air for a fresher environment. The steamer is designed with a foldable handle, making it incredibly easy to store. This feature ensures that you can neatly pack it away, whether you are at home or on the go. It fits perfectly into your travel luggage, so you can always look your best wherever life takes you. With 8 strategically placed steam outlets, this steamer provides a consistent and powerful steam flow. Enjoy efficient and continuous garment steaming that helps you tackle any fabric with ease. Another fantastic feature is the separate 250 milliliter visible water tank. This detachable tank allows you to monitor water levels effortlessly. The folding mini steam iron combines power, versatility, and convenience in one compact design. Whether you are at home or traveling, this steamer will keep your clothes looking crisp and fresh. Number 4. HOMEFISH Fabric Steamer. This handheld fabric steamer boasts a remarkable capacity of 280 milliliters, allowing you to tackle multiple garments in one go. With its quick heat-up time of just 20 seconds, you can say goodbye to wrinkles in no time. The HOMEFISH fabric steamer operates at an impressive power of 1,500 watts, ensuring a high-pressure steam output that penetrates deep into fabric fibers. Featuring a stainless steel hothead, this steamer heats evenly and smoothly, providing a consistent steam flow. The innovative anti-drip design offers peace of mind, so you do not have to worry about any accidental leaks while you steam. This fabric steamer includes 7 holes for even steaming, ensuring that your clothes are left looking fresh and wrinkle-free. It is perfect for removing 99% of folds, while being gentle on all fabric types. The large 330 milliliters water tank is designed to prevent low leakage at any angle, making it ideal for families or anyone with a lot of clothing to steam. You will not need to add water frequently, which means you can keep steaming without interruptions. Designed for portability, the HOMEFISH fabric steamer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Whether you are traveling for business or pleasure, you can pack it in your suitcase without it taking up excess space. Number 3. XIAOMI Handheld Garment Steamer. The XIAOMI Handheld Garment Steamer is designed to provide supercharged high-pressure steam for quick wrinkle removal. With its impressive steam output, you can achieve an astounding 99.9% sterilization and mite elimination rate in no time. The quick preheating time of just 30 seconds means you can start steaming your garments almost instantly. Whether you are dealing with delicate silk or sturdy cotton, this steamer can handle it all. It uses professional micro-boosting technology, which not only provides strong impact, but also has a long spray distance. This allows you to target deep wrinkles effectively, making it easier than ever to achieve smooth, crisp clothing. With the combination of garment steaming, flat ironing, and shaping capabilities, this device is versatile and simple to use. One standout feature is the secondary heating panel. It operates at a high temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, which vaporizes any remaining liquid, ensuring that the steam produced is fine and delicate. This protects your garments from excessive moisture. Powered by 1,200 watts, this device heats up rapidly, generating saturated steam just as you are ready to iron. Its large 160 milliliter detachable water tank allows for efficient ironing of multiple shirts at once, making it perfect for busy mornings. Travelers will love the compact and portable design of the XIAOMI Handheld Garment Steamer. It is lightweight and easy to store, fitting perfectly into your luggage without any hassle. The aluminum die-cast panel coated with ceramic glaze ensures even heat distribution, allowing for smooth wrinkle removal without damaging your clothes. Remember, it is ideal for a wide variety of fabrics, including silk, nylon, fiber, wool, linen, and cotton. Number 2. Electric Garment Steamer Iron. It features a 2-in-1 design, which means you can use it for both flat ironing and hanging ironing. With a powerful 1600-watt motor, it generates steam in just 10 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. No more waiting around. The electric garment steamer iron comes with a generous 260-milliliter large-capacity water tank. This allows you to tackle large ironing jobs without constant refills. You can easily steam more than 20 pieces of ordinary clothing in one go, thanks to the efficient steam output of 18 grams per minute. What really sets this steamer apart is its impressive air outlet area of 4,802 square millimeters. This is 143% larger than standard garment steamers. The 5-hole air outlet ensures that steam is distributed evenly, allowing for deep penetration into various fabrics. The electric garment steamer iron does more than just remove wrinkles. It produces steam at a high temperature of 110 degrees Celsius, effectively eliminating mites and other allergens. This ensures that your clothes are not only wrinkle-free but also hygienic, contributing to a healthier environment for you and your family. Its portable design makes it perfect for travel. You can easily store it without taking up much space. Whether you are at home or on the go, this steamer is your perfect companion for quick garment care. Number 1. XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron. The XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron is designed for both vertical and flat ironing, giving you the freedom to tackle a variety of clothing types. One of the standout features of this iron is its larger ironing surface area, which allows you to remove wrinkles in just 1 minute. The ceramic glaze coating on the panel ensures a smooth ironing process, making your experience comfortable and efficient. The XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron utilizes dual heating technology, which delivers delicate steam that penetrates deeply into fabric fibers. This ensures that wrinkles are smoothed out quickly without damaging your clothes. The intelligent temperature control system automatically adjusts the temperature in real time, providing optimal results. This remarkable device heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing you to get started without delay. The large 150-milliliter water tank is detachable and visible, making it easy to refill. You can iron multiple pieces of clothing without needing to constantly add water. With a sterilization rate of 99.9% and a complete mite removal rate, the high-temperature steam effectively cleans your clothes, ensuring they remain fresh and comfortable to wear. You can rest assured knowing that your family's clothing is hygienically clean. Safety is a top priority with the XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron. If the device is idle for more than 8 minutes, it will automatically power off to prevent accidents. Simply pick it up again to resume ironing as it quickly senses and reheats. The user-friendly design includes a 1-button steam lock, which releases continuous steam automatically. This eliminates the need to hold down a button for extended periods. Plus, the beautiful pointed design ensures no small wrinkles are missed on buttons and collars. And there you have it, the top 5 best garment steamers of 2024. Each of these products offers unique features to help you keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which steamer you are most excited about or if there is one you think we missed. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.